Formax presents the FlashCard XL large format business card cutter. Building on the Formax American engineering, R&D, and 35+ years of experience utilized for the FlashCard, the large format FlashCard XL has been developed for greater on-demand production. Up to 13-inch by 19-inch sheets can be run through the FlashCard XL, increasing the speed, throughput, and cost efficiency for creating high-quality full-bleed business cards, postcards, photo cards, appointment reminder cards, laminated ID cards, greeting cards, and more. The FlashCard XL delivers fast, accurate cuts every time at speeds of up to 230 business cards per minute. The heavy-duty cutting cassettes and friction feed system gives the FlashCard XL the power to cut through paperweights of up to 350 GSM paper and up to 19 inches long without hesitation. 3 heavy-duty quick-change cutting cassettes are available with self-sharpening blades for enhanced output and minimal maintenance. The standard 3.5-inch business card cassette is included, with optional 5-inch and 11-inch wide cassettes for larger card sizes. Users can choose from up to 16 jobs stored in memory, 6 pre-programmed for common applications, and 10 programmable jobs for custom card sizes. Horizontal and vertical gutter settings create full bleed graphics for a professional finish. A built-in registration mark sensor adjusts for slight print offsets, enhancing cutting accuracy and output quality. The automatic friction feed system includes adjustable paper guides and holds up to 40 sheets of 200 GSM paper. The FlashCard XL includes 2 outfeed tray systems that can be easily adjusted to accommodate various size finished pieces from business cards to 11x17 menus. An integrated waste bin neatly catches waste scraps for easy disposal. For more capacity, an optional cabinet with a larger built-in waste bin is ideal for users with increased volume and features casters for easy movement and storage. The control panel is designed for easy operation. Simply select the programmed or custom job, enter the number of pieces needed, and press start. In seconds, printed sheets are precisely cut and collected in the catch tray. The Formax Flashcard XL is a high-quality, large-format cutter engineered for precision, quality, and ease of operation that brings on-demand card cutting to the next level at an amazing industry-leading price and value.